Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel Code with Arohi. So guys, if you are working on artificial intelligence projects or on deep learning projects, then you already know that we need powerful machines when we want to execute such complex problems, right? So I have recently built my deep learning PC using RTX 3090 and today I'm going to share my configuration with you, and in case if you guys want to build your own deep learning PC, then this configuration may help you in that. So let's begin with the GPU part. So GPU plays very important role in deep learning because it helps us running all the operations at one time instead of one after the other. And GPU can handle complex operations like matrix multiplications or other such tasks, right? So the GPU which I have decided to go with is Asus TUF RTX 3090. It has 24 GB of VRAM, and guys, it is the most expensive part of my PC, and I think it is probably the best card for running large and complex models of deep learning, and we are going to get very good compute performance with it. So the price of this card is 2,65,000 rupees. And guys, after that I want to start discussing the components with the case, because we are going to fit all the components in this case only. So let's begin with this. So I have decided to go with Cooler Master case. You can see that it has two 200 fans in the front, RGB fans, and it has a fan support on the top also. You can put 3 fans on the top of 140 or you can put 2 fans of 200 on the top, and there is 1 fan at the back. So guys, you can see with these many fans we are going to get very high volume of airflow, which will give us a good cooling, right? And you can see we have a tempered glass on a side, and we have dust filters in this case on top, front, at bottom. They are dust filters, okay? And we have so many ports in it. You have USB 2, USB 3 ports, then audio jack, mic jacks are there, ARGB controllers are there, ARGB splitters are there. So we have these many these kinds of ports in it. So guys, why I have decided to go with this case? Because RTX 3090 is a big card and you need a proper space to, you know, if you want to mount it in your if you want to mount it properly, then you need a proper case, okay? So you can see here there is a plenty of space after putting it, right? So this is my first component. And guys, now let's talk about the next component. So as we have decided the RTX 3090, so we need a good CPU with it, which, you know, match with RTX 3090. So CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, and it has 12 cores, 24 threads, and guys, the price of this CPU is 46,000 rupees. And the next part is motherboard. I'm using Asus X570 TUF gaming motherboard with Wi-Fi. And over here you can see this is my Asus X570 TUF gaming motherboard after putting all the components on it. Right guys, and the next thing is power supply. So the power supply recommendation for RTX 3090 is 750 watt, and I'm using 850 watt of power supply of Cooler Master Gold power supply and fully modular. So after that, let's talk about the cooler. So guys, I have decided to work with liquid cooler instead of air cooler, because when we use CPU, so it generates heat, and if you want good performance, then your CPU should be cooled properly to achieve that performance, right? So water cooling is actually much more efficient than air cooling, so I have decided to go with water cooling. So the liquid cooler which I'm using is of Cooler Master. And next is RAM. I'm using 64 GB of RAM in my PC, and the speed of this RAM is 3600 megahertz. And after that, I'm using M.2 NVMe SSD of Crucial, and I'm using this 1 TB of SSD for my boot drive to speed up all the processes. And then I'm using a hard disk of 4 TB hard disk of Western Digital for storing my data. That's it guys, and here you can see my full machine, right? So that's it. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.